Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Hey guys, this is NJ. Today we'll continue our series on fingers. So, like the way I say, I've always tell that chirognomy is the study of the structure of your hands. You need not need to be an expert to decode and decipher the complex markings and lines of the hand, which is known as chiromancy, which is also used for the fortune telling. But chirognomy is the study of the structure of your hands, how long the fingers are, whether they are short, they are long, whether they are high set on the palm, they are low set, how rigid the thumb is, how long the thumb is, whether the palm is flabby, hard, soft. So all these come under the domain of chirognomy, and it tells a great deal about someone's inherent personality traits. So we have already discussed the index finger, which is associated with planet Jupiter and is responsible for an individual's ambition, assertiveness, virtues, morals in this life. We have already discussed the middle finger, which is associated with planet Saturn and is responsible for the wisdom, your analytical knowledge, your sense of right and wrong, how strongly you rebound in the tests of the life whenever you go through the hard times. So all these get governed by the middle finger, which is associated with planet Saturn. Then comes our ring finger, which is associated with planet Sun. So this finger is responsible for our capacity to earn name, fame and recognition in this life. This finger is also associated with our artistic and creative abilities, as well as our capacity to take risk in life. So we have discussed what happens when the tip of the finger shape would form to be of different shapes. We have also discussed what these each flange represents, and what is the significance of an additional the presence of an additional knot in the finger, or the absence of the regular knot on the finger. So now we will discuss what will happen when there will be some special markings which will be found on the ring finger. So the very first thing which remains to be the presence of vertical lines. So like this. In Vedic palmistry, we give very strong significance to the presence of vertical lines. So the presence of vertical lines are like on the fingers are always considered good. The only difference which comes is the significance, the goodness in which form. So in the ring finger, it makes someone like enjoy very good relationship with his father, with elderly person, as well son, as it represents government and all the high designatory people. So these people who have these vertical lines on the ring finger enjoy very good relationship and have good good rapport, and they have good contacts with the senior admin people. Let's say if you're in India, like the way we say, the high post IS officer, secretary level people. So those people who have these vertical lines on the ring finger enjoy very good relationship with all the top designatory people, as well as this. The presence of these vertical lines makes it is a like a positive sign to get paternal property in this lifetime. So these all are the traits and the outcomes which you will have if you have the vertical lines on the ring finger. Then comes the second, which is the presence of horizontal lines. So what will happen if you'll have these kind of horizontal lines on the ring finger? So in Vedic palmistry, horizontal lines are not considered good. So the presence of these horizontal lines makes someone like vulnerable to having long standing troubles with their siblings. That's the one thing. Second thing, these people also remain vulnerable to defamity, any kind of defame. Like the way we say in Hindi, man hani ka dawa, someone is suing you for some court related or lawsuit. So that is also a like kind of affliction which a person can go through in his life if he'll have the horizontal lines on his ring finger. And thirdly, well, like I've seen in the hands of many people that who have got these horizontal lines, because I am associated with advertising, media, and create like all the advertising and mass communication related business. So those people who have these horizontal lines, I've seen these people going through IPR, intellectual property related issues as well. So this is the kind of obstacles and hindrances which one can become liable to or vulnerable to with the presence of these horizontal lines. Then comes the other signs. So let's say if you'll spot a cross on the ring finger. So this cross is not considered good on ring finger. So these people remain to be very pessimist. See, because sun is also the significator of your confidence, of your soul. So these people, if the presence of cross on the ring finger makes these people very pessimist. Also these people remain very vulnerable to deformity as well. It is a like also a sign of having problem in the right eye, like because sun represents, if you know astrology, sun represents the right eye. So this is the kind of problem which an individual can go through if there will be a cross on the ring finger. Then comes another sign, which is triangle. So let's say if you find a triangle on the ring finger, so it's a like good sign of progress in career as well as good motivation. And so like it's a like it's in totality it's a positive sign. So the signification of the index like ring finger is artist and creative abilities. So if this kind of triangle is found at anywhere on the ring finger, so these people can progress to a great deal in artistic or creative related business. Plus in any case it's a good sign for career progress in career and in education, good popularity among their circle. So it's a like good sign. Then comes our another sign, which is our net. Net is not considered a good sign. Like the way I always say, net is confusion. So like the way it has been taught, it has been taught to me by my teacher that the net can be defined as confusion. Like the way it is, yes, 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 no, no, no. So these people remain confused only. The only difference comes is where it has been spotted on the hand. So those in those significations, person would remain confused. So if it is found on the ring finger, so what is written in our scriptures is, first of all, what you guys need to understand is, to the eligibility of a net is that there has to be 3 lines. 2 lines do not make a net. In order to be a fulfilled and completely formed net, there has to be 3 lines in this form. So this will not be considered as a net. So these people suffer with jealousy and mental related problems, and they remain confused. Confusion always remain whenever you will find net on the ring finger. Then comes our another sign, which is our mole. So it's bit complicated. The appearance of a mole, or if you'll spot a mole, so it's a sign to be cautious of, because see, mole is a like sign of where people would get too much into self-loathing, like that perennial and obsessiveness related to any guilt. So these people suffer with the feeling of guilt, that remains to be one. As well, these people remain to be very volatile related to their respect and dignity and their image. So many times these people would get too offended when if someone is like casting any expression on their reputation, on character or their self-image, they even gets to an extent of suicidal in these people's life. So these people remain to be very aware of that. Do not become too negative, too pessimist, and don't take things too hard. So mole is a sign of vulnerability to having the feelings of guilt as well as suicidal tendency due to defame. Then comes our last sign, which is our circle. See, I will present to you with 2 perspectives on this, and then it will be on you guys to do your own research, look at the hands of people and come to your own conclusion. Because in the Vedic scriptures, it has not been considered as a good sign, and the modern palmists in different books, authors have given very positive review regarding this. So like the way authors like Saint Germain and also in their authorships and their books, you will find that they have given very strong significance to circle, that it is a sign of popularity, people progress in literature and all the artistic realms. But in if we take the case of the Vedic scriptures, there it has been mentioned that the appearance, and if you'll spot a circle anywhere on the ring finger, it is a sign of lack of motivation, obstacles in career and problem related to eye. So I'll leave this thing to you guys to do your own research and land to conclusion. And like the way I always say this thing in all my videos, that one sign never tells the whole complete story. I am teaching you the basics of the palmistry right from the scratch. You need to do your own research, you need to understand the whole hand, then you need to knit all the readings, and then you need to land to one conclusion and make a prediction or make a judgment in your mind rather than jumping to conclusion. So I hope you guys found my this video informational. For any more updates and notification of palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.